guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm for the month of August. Thankfully I got my premium box today, so now that I can finally do this video for you guys, long and overdue. I try to get it as soon as I get my boxes. However, due to the pandemic, it doesn't always get here about the same time, so I am sorry for that. But I'm here to share with you what I got in my box for the month of August. So if you're interested, you're in the right place, and just keep on watching. Alright, so here I have my base box for the month of August. Alright, so I have my card here, and you know, it says everything in their prices. Alright, so my overall base box weight was 1.1 pounds. My overall price was $100. Bleh. My overall price was $151.95. So, the first thing that I got in here, I did try this the other night, but it was the only time I tried it, and my skin felt pretty normal, honestly. But this is the Mind Tan Body Skin Hydro Glow Sleeping Serum. This says it is triple action hyaluronic acid for all skin types. This is what it looks like. Alright, so this retails for a whopping $44.95. You get a total of 59 ml, which is, you know, pretty average for a bottle this size, I'd say. The smell is pretty good, and it does feel nice on the skin. However, I've only used it the one night, so I can't really tell if it works, you know, so I gotta keep on using it. So, yeah, this is it. Alright, next is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Now, I already have this concealer, but I ordered this one. Actually, I got three of these total. I got this one I ordered from, like, the pop-up, which is a darker color, so I can do like cream contouring with it. But this one I got in the shade Shortbread, and this is the box. This is what it looks like, and this is a whopping $29. I like the concealer that I have. Yeah, this shade looks like it's light. I'm not sure if I went down a shade or up a shade, honestly, because they didn't have that many shades of the lighter concealer to choose from. But I believe mine in the bedroom is vanilla. Maybe, don't quote me because I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, this is the one I got. And this, honestly, in my opinion, gives great coverage. I use this concealer, well, not this one, but the other one, quite often. And if you follow me on, like, TikTok or anything like that, which I will put them on the screen for you if you don't, when I do tutorials on there, I usually use this concealer. So I definitely like this concealer, and I do recommend it. So if you have not tried it, get your hands on it. Alright, next is a eyeshadow palette. Now, honestly, I wanted the Morphe brushes, but it's okay, I did not get them. I got the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. This retails for $36. This is the first item of Violet Voss that I own, so I'm quite excited, but kind of nervous because I've heard like mixed reviews. Some people say that Violet Voss has like one of the best eyeshadows, but again, I wouldn't know because I've never tried them. Alright, so it comes with a little mirror in here. Let me just fold this over. These are the shades in this palette, and they're absolutely beautiful, especially this baby blue. Baby blue, orange, and black are my all-time favorite colors. Now, if I call my son in here and ask him if he likes this color, I guarantee you he'll say yes. Blue's his favorite color as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm excited to give it a try. yeah. Alright, next is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Honestly, I've never heard of this or anything like that. I've never, like, you know, seen reviews. I'm assuming this is in the shade 02 Velvet Rosewood. Looks like this. And it's like a pinky kind of color. Oh, I'm sorry. This retails for $26. This is the packaging. It's like a tube kind of package. Oh, it's got like a, I dropped a lid. It's got like a little hair type thing, applicator. Let me pick that up. Alright, so I don't want to use this because I think I'm going to give this to my mom or something. It says that it is matte, so I mean the color is beautiful, but I just don't think, well, I guess anything would look good now that my hair is red. By the way, if you have not seen the tutorial, go check it out because I did not think it would turn out this way. And my hair is doing alright. It's still alive, but it's very dry, if you know what I mean. Alright, so the very last thing in my base box is this Real Her. I think I'm saying it right. It is a definer brow pencil, micro tip, and it cost $16. This is in the shade, I don't know what shade is this. It doesn't tell me the shade. What the hell? Apparently it is paraben free, waterproof, vegan, and cruelty free. But there is no shade on here, so I don't know if you can read it. It's got a spoolie on the end of it, which is really nice. I love when they come with that. It's some kind of brown. Let me see. Alright, I think this shade will be okay. It is definitely a micro tip pencil. And that's the shade right here. It's like a medium brown. Which brunette area, like those kinds of colors, brunette and like medium brown, are usually what I use because my natural hair color is brown. So, alright, so my premium base weight was 1.9 pounds. The overall price was $211. So, sounds like a good deal to me if you ask me, I'm just saying. Alright, so let's just dive in. Alright, so here is my premium box. And I do have everything open in here because, you know, I took my picture and everything. I'm a part of a group where we upload like our Boxy and stuff. Alright, so my choice was the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. This, you guys, this retails for $85. $85. It comes in this nice little box. Just go like, so this is what it looks like in the box. This is the most classic but bougie. Oh my goodness. Oh god, $85 fucking dollars for this. Wow. I guess I got expensive tastes, being that this is the one that I chose. Let me see. It says that it is advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. That was like a mouthful. I'm sorry. I have an issue where it, like when I read out loud, I have like a stuttering problem or something. I don't know. That's why I used to hate reading in class. Just saying. Alright, so the bottle is pretty heavy. It is definitely a thicker type of glass. It does come with a pump. Let me smell it. Oh, looks like snot. Oh. Oh, I don't like the way this smells. Okay, it is this neon booger color. I'm sorry, it looks like gross. Alright, next is the Ciate London New England Editor palette, and it retails for $32. Now, I took it out of the box. Honestly, this like packaging looks so much like the Makeup Revolution palettes. I'm not sure if they're like sister brands or something, or maybe not, I don't know. But the packaging, it's pretty much identical to the other palettes that I have. It's got a big mirror in here, and these are the shades. Honestly, they're beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not gonna swatch anything because I have so much unused makeup right now that it's probably best that I don't open more, just in case I end up, you know, putting it in another giveaway for you guys, or, you know, giving it to like my local women's shelter or something like that. But this blue here, this navy blue, is absolutely beautiful. Alright, up next, listen, I was excited to get this. I was not expecting it at all. This is the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and it retails for a total of $33. Like I said, I have not tried this, but the whole Too Faced Born This Way line, I do like so far, everything that I've tried. And I'm glad that this is in the shade Translucent, because I don't need no tinted powder. Oh my god! Look, the packaging is so nice. Oh my gosh. This is the top. And then on the bottom, you get 17 grams, which is 0.56 ounces of powder. I'm not sure of like the standard amount of powder in normal containers, but you guys, oh, it's got one of these little thingies where you gotta, I'm sorry, I'm just so excited for this. Oh my gosh. Like, honestly, this makes me want to go do my makeup. So, yes. Alright, next is a MAC lipstick, and it retails for $19. Excuse me. It says it is a formula with a smooth glide, bold color payoff, full coverage, and a semi-lustrous finish. Ultra creamy. Alright. So this is the very first MAC lipstick I've ever tried or got. I'm not sure how nice the color is going to look on me. But yeah, so here is the box. I think I only have a few things by MAC. Like, I have a couple of the MAC setting sprays, and what was it called? The MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I have that. I use that all the time. But anyways, this is their lipstick. It's in a bullet shape. Oh my gosh. Ooh, the color is beautiful, but I don't... Would it look good on me? I don't know, but this is the color. It looks kind of corally orange on camera, but it's not, in my opinion. It's like a peachy orange. This color is called Vegas Volt. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Alright, next I got the Laura Geller Fortifying Lash Primer. It says that it retails for $24. Alright, so here's the box. It's in the shade black, it says. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I think it's just a regular mascara. It smells pretty good. So this is the applicator. It's very, like they're pretty separated, so I feel like it would really coat your lashes. So that's nice. I haven't really tried that many of Laura Geller's products. However, recently I've been getting quite a bit of them in in my Boxycharms. So I'm excited to try this out. Alright, it's now the very last thing in my premium box. This is the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator. It says that it is $18. And it says it is a self-exfoliant that cleanses the body, removing dead skin cells that needs to be carefully removed. Alright, so this is what it looks like, the box. It says that it is organic and vegan. Alright. And it is ideal for the whole body. Alright. So you just like slip it on your hand and you just, you know, go like this. And just all over the body. Feels like a kitchen sponge, not gonna lie. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Hello. I'm gonna have to burn that off. But this is what it looks like. Alright guys, that was it for my Boxycharm video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, like always. I love you guys, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.